Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce our overall system of the HSI partition wall, which stands at a height of 7 meters. Currently, the wall has reached a 50% completion rate with the vertical studs and cross runners already in place. And, we've established the positioning of the top and bottom runners for the top and floor. The black section on top represents our high sound insulation board. And on this side, we have installed the soundproof rock cotton. Considering the overall height of 7 meters, we have designed the spacing for each section of the partition wall to be 400 millimeters. Typically, for a 3-meter high partition wall, a spacing of 610 millimeters is sufficient. Now, let's conduct a test to check the strength of the entire partition wall without the completion of the integrated panel blocking. For walls of this height, some degree of sway is expected without the complete installation, and this sway is well within the acceptable standards during our construction inspections, so there's no need to worry. Furthermore, our entire partition wall does not have any external reinforcement components. It is entirely supported by our studs. This partition wall includes a doorway, and we reinforce it using square steel. Upon completing the installation of the entire door frame and door, we reinforce the structure using square steel. This reinforcement significantly enhances the overall strength, surpassing the durability of the original wall. At the moment, since it is in an unfinished state, there is a slight sway. This movement is still within a reasonable range. Now, let me demonstrate to you the stability of our 7-meter high partition wall with the baseboard sealed. In this scenario, there is absolutely no issue with stability. So, if you are dealing with extremely high ceilings, reaching a height of 7 meters, the stability of our HSI high sound insulation partition wall is absolutely assured.